Hello, hi. Today we will talk about a grand test paper. So, this grand test paper is based on chemistry. So, we will talk about JEE and JEE mains. So, this paper is about JEE mains targeting for 2025 session, right. So, we will start with one by one. So, here we have the 51st question. So, we have two sections. Section A has got 20 questions, single correct answer. We have section B, we have 5 questions. You have to give the answer in multiples, multiples of some numbers. Okay. We start with the first question. 5 moles of A reacts with 6 moles of Z and mix it with sufficient amount of C to produce final product F. How many moles of F can be produced as per the given sequence of reactions? So, sequence of reactions are given here, just we have to figure it out and limiting reagent, then we will get the answer. So, just I will add these two reactions here. So, A plus 2Z equals to B and B plus C gives you Z plus F. So, if I add these two reactions, so B gets cancelled, Z and 2 gets cancelled, I will get A plus Z plus C gives me F. So, now we will write the values given. How many moles of A is taken? 5 moles. How many moles of Z is given? 6 moles. This is given sufficient. So, we do not mind the amount of C. So, from this the coefficients of every term is 1. So, that is why. So, the limiting reagent is A. So, after the reaction the F formed will be 5 moles, 5 moles will be formed. So, answer for this question is question number 51, answer is last option. So, I will mark here. So, I will clear all. So, this is our answer. So, option number 4th one is the right answer for this question. We will move on. 52. In which of the following species intramolecular hydrogen bonds are found? Intramolecular hydrogen bonds are found. So, intermolecular hydrogen bonds are possible in these two options because we have phenolic group and O group. So, these two can form intermolecular hydrogen bonds. Intermolecular hydrogen bonds. So, intramolecular hydrogen bonds are possible in acetyl acetone. So, answer for this question is acetyl acetone. When acetyl acetone forms hydrogen bonds within itself when it is in the water, so that is it remains in the enolic form. So, which is going to be something like this. So, this kind of structure is going to formed. So, which has intramolecular hydrogen bonds within itself, right. So, we will move to the next question. The radius of 4th Bohr orbit is 0.864 nanometers. The de Broglie wavelength of electron in that orbit is how much? So, these are the options given. So, in the options you will see, so these two options are similar, but the units are different, right. Just we will plug in the formula and we will get the answer. So, we got lambda equals to, so 2 pi r by n. This is the formula we are supposed to use here, right. Just we will plug in the values. So, 2 into, so we will take it as 3.14 pi value, r value is given to us 0.864. So, it is 0.864 over n is how much, which radius, 4th orbit. So, divided by 4. Just we solve it, this goes 2 times, 2 goes how many times? So, 0. So, this is 4, 3, 2. So, this is equals to 3 314 into 432. Just we need to multiply this. So, of course, we have how many decimals? 2 here, 3 here, minus 5. So, this is going to give us what digit? 6 member digit will be obtained here and 5 will be cut, you will get. So, this will be almost 13 aayega, 13 into 10 power minus 5 into 10 power, right. So, minus 5 minus 4. So, something like 1.3 something aata hai. So, 1.3 nanometers is the answer. This is our answer for this question. Right. Next 54, identify the correct acidic strength of CO2, CuO and CaO and H2O. Right. So, order is very simple. So, we know that CaO is the most basic and most acidic should be CO2, most acidic should be CO2. So, these two options may, so this option is eliminated, this option is also eliminated. So, any one of these could be our answer. So, we are starting with the CO2, ending with the CaO. We have to figure out between these two things. Of course, metal oxide is more basic. So, answer should be option A. Simple, one question, one go, you can do the answer, right. So, we will move to 55th question. So, the reactions are given here and we have to find the delta H for these reactions. So, we relate it with the stability, then we will get the answer. This is the most stable, therefore, delta H1 is the least. The most unstable is this, the most unstable is bridgehead carbon. So, this value will be the highest value. Let us see the options if they help us. So, H1 should be on the least. So, we have 3 options right like that, and we starting with H3 is only one option. So, therefore, our answer is C. C is the answer for the question, right. So, we will move to the next question, 56th question. The compound which could act as both oxidizing as well as reducing agent. So, in order to be a molecule both oxidize as well as reducing agent, it has to be in the intermediate oxidation number. So, in option B, manganese is in +6 oxidation state, +7, it can only reduce its oxidation number. So, it cannot expand. So, all metals are in their highest oxidation states. So, they cannot be the answers. So, our answer for this question is SO2. So, SO2 may sulfur is in +4. So, it can go to +6, it can come back to -2 or 0. So, in these cases it can be an oxidizing agent as well as reducing agent. Here it takes electrons. So, where it behaves like oxidizing agent, here it gives electrons. So, it behaves like a reducing agent. Okay. So, answer for this question is SO2 hona chahiye. So, why this is not answer? Because all of them are in the highest oxidation states. I will just clear it off. Okay. So, we will move to the next question, 57, 0.54 grams of metal M yields 1.02 grams of metal oxide M2O3. The atomic weight of metal is how much? So, it is also simple, we will apply the mole-mole ratio. So, from the formula it is obvious that 2 moles metal, 3 moles oxygen ratio hai. Okay. So, you will find 0.54 grams of metal is there. So, that is 0.54 over atomic mass gives us the moles, but these moles are according to this ratio 2. So, from this atomic mass equals to 0.54 by 2. So, this gives me 0.27. So, 0.27 is nothing but 27 grams per mole. So, answer is C. Answer is C here. Simple. Why? Because we do not even look into the total oxide number, because number of moles. So, this is the minimum moles, right. So, it can be 2 moles, otherwise it is 1.5 mole. So, you can't further simplify it. So, that is why 2 moles of metal is equivalent to this. So, from this we got 27. So, this is the answer. So, he is talking about again Al2O3. Okay. Next, we will move to the 58th question. The percentage of ammonia obtainable if equilibrium were established during the ABUS process is plotted against the operating pressure to temperatures 400 and 500 degrees C. Which of the following graph is correctly representing the two processes? We know that Haber's process is an exothermic reaction. We need more heat, more temperature to get forward reaction to happen. So, higher temperature, higher yield of ammonia. So, on y axis we have taken ammonia yield, on x axis we have taken the pressure. So, when high pressure, high temperature, high yield. So, answer looks B. B is the answer. On increasing the temperature, the percentage of it increases. Of course, at low temperature the percentage of yield is low, at high temperature the percentage yield is higher, but this graph is showing different manner. Let us look other two options also. So, other two options have got the percentage of ammonia is not going to decrease when you increase the temperature. So, this could not be our answer, this could not be our answer. So, answer is B for this question. Okay. So, we will go to 59th question. In IUPAC, name of the following compound given is, right. I believe it is geometrical isomer है, इसको आपको चेक करना है. तो यहाँ, so this is cis, this is trans, again this is going to be cis, but question में EZ nomenclature है. Cis is Z, trans is E and cis is also Z. So, it should be Z, E, Z. So, we have only one option like that. So, that is the option C is the answer for this question. Okay. So, we will go to question number 60. Which of the type of isomerism is it? So, two compounds are given. The options I have got functional group isomerism, ring geometrical metamerism. So, functional group is not changing, functional, they are not functional groups. So, rings are equal, ring isomerism is in there, even the metamerism is not possible. So, possible option is geometrical isomerism, I can explain you here. So, two hydrogens are in transposition, both the hydrogens are in transposition, here both the hydrogens are in cis position. So, answer is for 60th question is geometrical isomerism. Yeah, we will go to question number 61. Boron has exceptionally high melting point in 13th group. Yeah, it has high strength. Boron is a covalent solid. Yeah, boron is a gigantic covalent solid. That is why it is also used in bulletproof jackets. So, answer is C. Yeah, we will go to the question number 62. So, question number 62 says that the conductivity of saturated solution of AgCl is this much. Lambda m for silver and chlorides are given to us. We are asked to calculate the solubility product of AgCl. All we need to know is we have to calculate the del lambda m, which is K into 1000 over concentration. So, this is equals to K given to us, K is how much? 2.6 into 10 power minus 6 into 10 power minus 3 over. So, दोनों को ऐड करके लिखना पड़ेगा नीचे, concentration तो अलग अलग concentrations are given to us. So, this is going to be, so this gives me the lambda is given to us. So, what should I take here? I have to take the concentration here. सो डिवाइडेड बाय लैम्डा, दोनों को ऐड करेंगे 63 प्लस 67, सो दिस इज 130. So 130. So if I put the decimal here and multiply it by 2, so this goes 2 times. Okay. So this is going to be 2 into 10 power minus 6 minus 3 minus 9 minus 11. 10 power minus 11 is the concentration. 11 వస్తుందా 1.3 10 power 2 ఈ 130 10 power minus 6 ఇది plus C3 అండి, this is plus 3, sorry, if this is plus 3, so this will be adding minus 8 plus 3 is minus 5, right. So KSP will be square of it, so 4 into 10 power 10, so answer is BA, the right answer is B. Okay. So next we will move to 63. So in 63, what shall we do here? So 4 into 10 power minus 3 molar Na2CO3 solution is isotonic with 0.01 degree of dissociation is how much? So the concentration 0.01 equal to concentration of it is 4 into 10 power minus 3 into 1 plus 2 alpha, 1 plus 2 alpha, because 2 moles of it is will be giving it. On solving this, so we will be getting 0.75, which is equals to 75%. 75% is the answer. Okay. So next question is 64. So a ketone is given which is reacting with methylamine followed by reduction. So the B should be, so in the beginning what do we get here? CH3. So here we will get a Schiff's base. So this is going to be N and CH3 followed by CH3. When it is reduced, of course यहाँ भी हाइड्रोजन अटैच होगा, यहाँ भी हाइड्रोजन अटैच होगा, इधर भी हाइड्रोजन होगा. So एक 2 degree amine will be forming, right. So we will move to the next page to identify. So 2 degree amine is found here, option C. Yeah, the next question is which of the following has got most acidic hydrogen? So 3-hexanone would be, this is 3-hexanone, 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay. 2,4-hexane dione, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. So this will be having the most one, yeah. So this hydrogen is more acidic here. So answer for this question is hexane dione. So 2 5, so they are separated. 2 3 are also separated, they are next to each other. Okay. Next question 66. The correct increasing order of bond lengths of the following marked as A, B, C, D. Okay. So the shortest one should be D, because triple bond is the smallest. So it could be C or it could be D. The longest one should be B. So longest one B. So B followed by C होना चाहिए, because these both are single bonds. But both are single bonds, but I would say B के बाद C आना चाहिए. Why? Because yeah, you can assume that. So this CC bond is between two sp3 carbons, whereas this CC bond is single bond, of course, but this bond is formed between sp2 and p orbital. So sp2 and sp3 orbitals, that's why. So this one is going to be longest. So answer is C is the answer. Simple question है, but logic थोड़ा लगाना है. Confusion कहाँ भी नहीं होगा. डबल बॉन्ड ट्रिपल बॉन्ड के ऊपर कोई कन्फ्यूजन नहीं है, बट प्रॉब्लम कहाँ है, दोनों सिंगल बॉन्ड्स के जगह कन्फ्यूजन आ गए. दिस सिंगल बॉन्ड इज ड्यू टू two sp3 hybrid orbitals. This is due to sp3 and sp2. As percentage of s character increases, bond length decreases. We know that. So, that is the answer. 67. Cyclobutyl dicarboxylic acid 1,1 is heated to 185 degrees Celsius. We got X and 1 mole of CO2 is out. So, this being out, so the product is going to be D. Simple direct question hai. Next one, 68. On a strand of DNA, the basic sequence of ATT, GA, CG, CAT, then the sequence of transcription on RNA would be what? Okay. RNA का transcription आपको calculate करना है. Okay. DNA to RNA, what we have to do? So, we need to replace the thymine by uracil. All thymine should be replaced by uracil. So, A के बाद 2 U's should be there. So, this looks correct. Okay. And what? One strand of DNA sequence is this. The sequence transcription on RNA would be. Okay, an RNA, so thymine isn't there, uracil will be replacing the thymine. Okay. So, if that is the case, but why he has changed the sequence? DNA, RNA are different strains, they can't be comparable, right? So, A is there as it is, so most appropriate answer looks A, this one. Okay. Yeah, next question is 69. Cyclohexanone treated with Grignard reagent will get this kind of alcohol. 2 degree alcohol is formed, which is heated with the concentrated H2SO4. So, this is going to be, so alkene. When this is ozonized, so you will get, so this kind of compound here, CHO and CO. So, option A is correct option. Option A is correct for 69 question. The acidic character of dioxides of member of oxygen family are in the order, right. So, if all of them are the dioxide, oxidation number will not help. The acidic character is decided on the basis of non-metallic oxides are more acidic, metallic oxides are least acidic. So, answer is B. Answer is B for this question, right. So, we will go to the next question 71. This is the section B, numerical value type of questions are asked here. A mixture of KOH and calcium hydroxide weighing 6.13 grams is completely neutralized by an acid. The weight percentage of KOH is this much and acid neutralized. Find the volume of acid which is neutralized. Okay. So, we have to find out, दोनों एक मिक्सचर ले लिया है, we don't know how much is it. So, what shall we do here? A mixture of completely neutralized by an acid, weight percentage of it is given here and this one. So, it should be, इसको मैं दोनों में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देता हूँ. So, it should be 2.6 plus 3.33. So, this is KOH 56, this is calcium hydroxide 74. So, ये dibasic acid है. So, which is equals to volume into 20 normal into 10 power minus 3. On solving V, so you will get the 7 ml. Okay. Next 72, find the number of geometrical isomers in the following sequence. Okay. Geometrical isomers are in, this is the allene case. In allenes, geometrical isomers should be identified. We know that here you can form one geometrical isomers, number of geometrical isomers. So, ikkada So 1 plus 1, 1 cis, 1 trans would be present. Okay. So these double bonds, so this is double bond and this is ring, then this is the double bond, then this is the double bond, then this is the double bond. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So even number of double bonds are there. So even number makes it 1. So this is going to be 1 plus 1. So answer should be, so because of these rings, one is going to be cis, one is going to be trans, this is going to be 1, this is going to be cis. So total number of geometrical isomers, so cis answer should be 4. 4 is the answer. Yeah, we'll go to the next question. Half-life period of gaseous reaction, initial pressures are given to us and find the order. So half-life method है. So T1 by 2 over T1 by 2 equals to pressures. So दोनों कैसे होंगे? अपोजिट में होंगे. So अगर ये 1 है तो ये 1 होगा, ये 2 है तो ये 2 होगा. Its power n minus 1 होता है. So it should be how much it is? So 350 over 175 equals to 40 over 80 power n minus 1. On solving this, n becomes equals to 0. N is 0 here. So answer for this question is 0 is the answer. Next one is 74 question. Question number 74 is, एक reaction is given to us, इसका reaction Br2 से किया गया. So how many products are being formed here? Okay. So first one is dehydration. So what we have to do here? So पहले ये चले जाएगा. Carbocation will be forming and this. So this is going to be this guy, hydrogen and CH3. Okay, CH3. Okay, CH3, CH3. So this is the product X, right? X can be, what it can be? It can be only 1. So when it is treated with Br2, Br2 in presence of CCl4 gives you the anti-addition. So both the bromines will be on the opposite sides. So hydrogen, CH3s. So the number of compounds of X would be 6 compounds of molecular formula, 6 compounds of molecular formula C4H8Br2. Number of complexes of will be how many? Okay, ఇవి 6 అయితే ఇవి 3 వస్తాయి అంతే. At 25 degrees Celsius, 1 atm pressure, atomicity of sulfur is 8. Thank you.